Hi YouTube, a bit of a change today. What I'm going to do is an experiment. When I finish this, I intend to have an exhaust coming out of here somewhere to simulate a diesel engine, even though it's electric powered. And to do that, what I've done, I'll just set the video up. I hope you can see that. What I've done, I've bought from China one of these, and what it's supposed to do, when you supply it with 24 volts DC and submerge it in water, it's supposed to give off a cold mist. Now, I haven't tried it, but I'm about to, and I'll show you what happens. I've no idea what the polarity is on this plug, and I assume you've got to get it the right way around. There's no documentation with it at all, so I'm going to assume that the centre's positive and the outside's negative, and I'll set it all up and come back to you soon. Right, back again. I think I remember saying that this little device needed 24 volts DC. I'll be carrying 12 volts DC for things like lights and what have you, actually on the boat, but I won't have 24. But I did remember that some time ago I bought this, which is a 12 to 24 volt converter. So I'm going to use that. It's a bit overrated, but that doesn't matter. The 12 volts at the minute, it's not coming from a battery, it's coming from a power unit that it's out of shot. So 12 volt comes into there. Fortunately, these wires were colour coded that goes to this device, so hopefully red is positive. So there it is then, 12 volts in, 24 volts out, goes to the device. What that is, put the device in the water. I wonder if I can get that so you can see it. Right, okay, just remains to switch on. Here goes. Oh oh dear, better switch that off. I'll come back to you in a minute when I've put some more water in. Right, I didn't think it would do that, but at least I got some, not smoke, but water vapour. Anyway, it's a bit deeper now, so let's give it another go. Still throwing water up, but plenty of vapour as well, as you can see. Better switch it off, it's drowning everything. Okay, well I think that's proved a point. I will need a container much deeper than I thought though, so it's shown me that. But hopefully if I get a container, and I've seen this done on other models, if I get a container and mount a fan in the top, computer fan, the computer fan will run off 12 volts. The 12 volts will also go into the converter, which will power this thing as it comes out as 24. The fan then, if there's if the lid of the container has a fairly big bore pipe on it, that can go out to the pretend exhaust. So looking good. That was a bit different. When I've done more to the boat, I'll get back to you. Bye for now.